you're back in my channel. So this is all I have. I had a lot more things, but I traded something pretty cool. But I have a lot of things. I have Dear Doggy Heels, then I have this. I have these rings. Yeah. Then what about my thing? But why is she like that? Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna take this off, and yeah, this is how cute I am. So yeah, and this is my beautiful shoes. You can see it from under here. Sorry, this is my shoes. For sure. Hey, wanna see that? I'm gonna take my skirt off. This is it. So. Yeah, don't worry about the song again. Okay. But I'm gonna see everyone right now, cause yeah. Okay, so you see, we sing the song. It's on by itself, but like. I don't know what to put on. Should I not put like shells? Yeah, I should not put that on. It looks so weird. Yeah, I'm just like thinking, what can I put my yo Shasha? Yeah, so I love this song. That's a dear darling. And that's good for you. I think trans skirt looks really okay, so just join the game. Let's see. Hi, call me. Hi, call me. song. Okay. Love. Wait, I'm in it? I thought I was not in it, but I'm fine with that. Okay, so now, don't worry about the song, guys. I know you love the song. I'm putting it on, right? Okay. Okay. Hello. Okay, what's your favorite smell and why you have 20 seconds to answer. All-time favorite dessert. What a lawyer time. Ice cream. Yeah, that's gonna be mine, so that should be mine. Mama, I love mommy. What do you like most about yourself? You usually like it. What's the? It looks really good. You made a monster. You made a monster. You made a monster. Yeah. You made a monster. Yeah, okay. Only have the girl. That's really mean. Get out of my way. This is wow, check out a video girl. This my video. I have to win, guys. Yep. If I don't win, please win you. Yeah. So what else? Guys, don't worry about the news. Orange, what the heck? Yeah. Good job, Mama. Good job. Good job. love. Sheep and not to God, not to the gospel, the sheep isn't good. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here.